Binoculars are a critical tool for hunters, blending range, resolution, and low-light performance to deliver actionable visuals in the field. The right pair can mean the difference between spotting game early and missing it entirely, especially at dawn or dusk when light is scarce. In this review, I test and compare 5 widely available hunting-focused models spanning a price range from budget to premium to help readers understand where value lies and which features matter most for different hunting scenarios. Product number 1. Acer 12x25 Compact Binoculars for Adults. This is a compact, high-magnification option with 12 times magnification, a 25mm objective, FMC broadband coatings, and BAK4 prisms. Its small form factor, 4x4 by 4.4 inches, and lightweight feel, approximately 13.7 ounces, targets portability and ease of sharing among family members, including eyeglass wearers, thanks to adjustable eye cups and long eye relief. It's positioned as a versatile travel/birding binocular with basic weather resistance via a waterproof plastic shell and rubber armor, but without heavy-duty ruggedization. Prospective buyers will appreciate the balance of magnification and portability, as well as the inclusive design for glasses wearers. Deeper assessment. In real-world use, product number 2, 20x50 high-powered binoculars for adults. This model pairs a substantial 20x magnification with a 50mm objective, delivering long-range detail and a generous field at 168 yards at 1,000 yards. It emphasizes rugged, eco-friendly rubber-coated housing and contemporary optical design with BAK4 prisms and green full multi-coating FMC. It's clearly aimed at users who value max reach in a portable package and are willing to trade some brightness for longer reach. Prospective buyers will note the high magnification paired with an accessible 26mm eyepiece and a non-slip grip. Product number 3, Vortex Optics Crossfire HD 10x42 Binoculars HD Optical System. The Crossfire HD 10x42 sits in the premium mid-range with 10x42 optics, fully multi-coated lenses, roof prism design, and a robust rubber armor. It's noted for a strong warranty, unlimited lifetime VIP warranty, and tripod adaptability, making it a versatile choice for hunting, wildlife viewing, and general outdoor use. It offers nitrogen purging for fog resistance and solid construction that withstands recoil and impact. Pros: bright, sharp images with good color fidelity for a 10x42, plus reliable weather sealing and a transferable warranty. Deeper assessment. In field use, the 10x42 provides a balanced field of view and magnification suited for mid-range hunting scenarios. Product number 4. Bushnell PowerView 10x50mm Poro Prism Instafocus Binoculars. The PowerView 10x50 Instafocus is a lightweight, all-purpose binocular with 10x50 optics and a practical Instafocus mechanism for quick target acquisition. The 50mm objective is a strong light collector, and the BK7 prism system is coupled with multi-coated coatings for bright, crisp imagery. The Real Tree AP camouflage and non-slip rubber armor enhance field use in hunting scenarios where concealment matters and grip matters in damp conditions. Pros: straightforward operation, fast focus, and a larger objective for better low-light performance within a budget. Deeper assessment. The Instafocus feature is designed for rapidly focusing on moving targets. Product number 5. Vortex Optics Crossfire HD 12x50 Binoculars HD Optical System. The 12x50 Crossfire HD takes the high magnification approach with a 50mm aperture and HD optical system similar to the 10x model, but with higher magnification and retained rugged features, including tripod adaptability, rubber armor, and a lifetime VIP warranty.
It is designed for serious buyers who want maximum reach in a compact, durable package and are willing to invest in performance that remains dependable under recoil and challenging field conditions. Pros: exceptional detail at distance, strong light transmission from 50mm objective, and flexibility to mount on a tripod. Deeper assessment. In practice, the 12x50 delivers outstanding long-range resolution and can be easily paired with a window mount or tripod for stable viewing. The increased magnification